Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four-star Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, January the 17th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle. The one-star puzzle, the three-stars Sudoku. So three puzzles are left. The binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested in the Four Stars Sudoku. Wow, the previous one was a interesting one. Yes, yeah. The Four Star Sudoku number 7819. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one usually the Four Stars puzzle has 24 printed digits. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Yeah, the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, usually I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only one. We have here three twos. We have here 1 3. We have here 3 4s. We have here 4 5s. All right. We have here 3 6s. 4 7s. Well. And 2 8s and 3 9s. So the 5s and the 7s are in majority. Can I start with the 7? Yeah, there's a lot of sevens. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. How about the 5s? 5 in this row. First row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, there are only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Now the 7 should be there. 7 should be here, yeah. Let me go back to the 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes here. 7 in the third row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. Okay. Need a 7 there. Still cannot continue with the 7. How about the 5 then? 5, no. 5, no. 5, no. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, now only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. In this big square, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here, 5 in this row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes here in the second column. So the third column, first column, the only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Okay, cannot continue with the 5 now. Yeah. Okay, let me pick another digit. How about the number 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, only place level 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So in the row between, only place level 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here, 4 in the second row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Shoot me there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. Alright. Need a 6 there. Okay. How about the 9? Need a 9 there. We have a pair. I believe. 9. No. Need 5, yeah. We have a pair. 5 and a 9 in this column. 5 and a 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes all the way to 5. We have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. As you can see here, you need a pair to eliminate a number. Otherwise, you can continue with the 5. Alright. How about the 7 now? 7 here. Yeah, need a 7 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. And look, we have a 7 already marked in these 2 boxes, but we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. I marked those 2 boxes here with a 7. We have a 7 in this row, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, alright. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 7. Look, 7 and a 5. So I usually use the numbers that is in the puzzle. I believe the 5 has the number 5 is 4 times, and 7 is also 4 times. So the chances big that I can use all the digits of number 5 here. All the numbers here. It's not always true, but mostly. Alright, next. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between. The middle row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in this column, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left with 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place left with 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row, row above. So in that row, only 2 places left with 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left with 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, second row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left with 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Alright. Okay, can I do something with the 4 then? No, yeah. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, only place level 4, it should be there. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Cannot continue with the 4 now, okay. How about the number the 8? Yep, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. The 8 in the first row, the 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. We have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the last row, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8 in the first column, no 8 in that box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 8, 8. Well. Need an 8 here also. Cannot continue with 8. How about the number? Need a 9 here. 1, 3, 6. Need a 6 here. No, 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. On the last column. Only place level 6. Should be there. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. And I need a 6 there. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Alright. And now, this big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 in this box. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 place level, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 6 there. Only place level 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. And then. Yeah, thinking. No 8 here. Okay. Well. I need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. And I need no 9 here. Need a 9 here. How about these? 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. 2 missing numbers. 1 and the... Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be in the 6 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 now in the first column, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this second column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 now in the first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Do we have all the 6s? And all the 6s are used. I can see digital 4 number 6. Then let me see. Need a 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in this box. Yeah, 9 in this column. No 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. Alright. So yeah. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and the 9. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be in, a 1 goes there. Alright, now. About these 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Yeah, the 4 in this row, the 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 a should be there. Alright, and now 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. A 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Well, interesting this one. Yeah. Almost, well, not the same as the previous Sudoku, but there's a certain pattern, route, that you need to fill those numbers. But we solve it again. Question, is this a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I really do. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so we'll give this a 2 stars. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.